Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. Um, I've got this 6.4 we're going to put in this car behind me here. There's some stuff that we have to do to this motor first. We got to get this oil cooler off of here, and we have to bolt this adapter on here because otherwise it's going to point straight down at the K-frame. So apparently I got to trim some off of here. So let's get that one off of it first. Let's see what holds this thing on here. It's been sitting here upside down for quite a while. Looks like there's a big hex nut in there we got to get out. So let me grab some tools. So my biggest Allen socket is too small for here, but I have a size of this. It's a big one. This is a T60, looks like. Oh, different ratchet. There you go. Maybe you got some threads. That's a bolt. That's a real bolt. All right. I guess this whole thing comes off here now. So there's oil out here. Towels. This is a water-cooled oil cooler. Unfortunately, you can't leave that on there, so we have to delete that. Now we're going to take this adapter. We've got an O-ring here we got to get rid of. That's a nice looking O-ring. So this is going to go like so. We have to trim some of this here off of here. So let's get that done. I'm going to mess this up so we don't get a bunch of crap inside the filter adapter. All right, call that good. I guess we'll. All right, looks good to me. So let's go find the death wheel. and then radius the edges a little bit. Okay, no sharp edges. I think that was successful. There we go. How's that look? Looks like factory. Good. Yeah, blow this off a little bit. We call that good. So there's two seals here. There's two O-rings here. Install them. There's one there, one here, and it's going to mount differently than the other guy did. I want to start. I know we're in the right spot.
Go off there and see if you can get that speedy on the hole first.
Yeah, I guess. This one was exposed to the elements, so it could be some crap in there.
Birds are noisy.
Crows. They say they have the intelligence of a 3-year-old child.
That attitude of it.
Yeah. I don't like that.
Yeah,
That one's fine. Put a little oil in those things. You don't want to break one of these little bitty bolts off. They're not drilled all the way through. Hmm.
Better?
Yeah. Well, it doesn't feel like it's going to break. As Joe Pesci would say, okay. Remember that movie?
Yeah, Lethal Weapon. Right?
Was it Lethal Weapon?
I think it was, yeah.
No, it was My Cousin Vinny, wasn't it?
What was it? I don't know.
I think so.
Might have been both.
If you guys know, let us know.
Yeah, My Cousin Vinny or
I'm gonna put
Lethal Weapon.
some oil on these rings here.
Oh, My Cousin Vinny was the Utes.
The Utes, the two Utes.
The 2 Utes.
What's a Ute?
The Utes.
That sounds like we're in Alfred Hitchcock's movie.
Yeah, right?
Remember the birds?
Yeah, true. You remember seeing that many years ago. Even then, I think it was an old movie.
It was in the 60s, I think. "12-inch pounds," right?
That's probably foot pounds. Pounds is about 12 as well. That's about right. 12 foot pounds.
Okay. All right, boys and girls. We're torquing on the oil pan now. It's 12-inch pounds. Is that what it is?
105.
105. Okay. So we got our fancy dancy little ratchet here. That's a clicker. That doesn't seem like enough, Sean.
I don't know.
No, we don't want to crack it. They give you a torque sequence here that's we're disregarding. Oh, they're staggered. Huh. Yep. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go back over all of them. It did squish down some. One more time.
Sure. We did get a couple of them put down on the wall.
Okay, I think we're good. All right. Always got to release this, they say. They say.
Hey,
I don't know who they is, but they say,
hey, hey.
because it screws up the, this is a bar or something inside, screws up the torque bar. Let's call it a torque bar. As opposed to an oyster bar. I'm going to put the filter on there just because. Yep. Got a Mopar filter here. Look at that baby. That looks like the one on my John Deere.
All made in China.
Look how tiny it is. You want to put some lubricant on your seal here. Lube that up. I hope it's not that hard to do in the car. It's crooked. Right. See how easy that was? Tighten it up, give it a little half twist. That's it. All right, that's that. I've got the correct air conditioning compressor for this. You can't use the one that came with this because it's a variable speed or something, and it won't work. So I bought a new. Well, let's flip this motor over. We don't have our dipstick yet. Otherwise, I'd put that in now. But we'll have to put that in later. Oh. Take this off here before it falls over. There we go. All right.